how to create a form in Canva. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So after logging into your Canva account, you just have to simply click on the templates account and then search for form and enter. And here, as you can see, there are multiple forms templates that are free and pros. So we'll just check for a free form. So let's say this is paid. So let's say this is the form we want to customize and use for us. And so first of all, you can just change the design and also the insights information. So it says studio showing, so we'll just create the form as a school admission, and then client consultant form. We'll say uh, admission form, and then we'll just have to check for the basic information like the name, date of birth, phone number, email address. And for the proceeding, registration date, observation, you can also make it like the father's name, the mother's name and all. So you can just type on it and father's name and then colon, and you can also change it like mother's name, and you can add the required information you need for the admission process. And after editing the form fully, you can just click on share and click on download option, and it says PDF standard suggested. Now you just have to simply click on download the form, and after downloading the form, you can just print it and submit to the parents, and they can fulfill the form and it will serve your purpose. So that's it for this video. That's how you can make or create a form using Canva in 2025. See you on the next video, guys.